Hello, everybody. This is DDK. Johnny Llanos talking. Well, we did our first batch of fresh smoked corn. Cub had corn for 19 cents an ear, and local farmer. It was absolutely delicious. And smoking it with an Adeline, which is a neutral chip, wood chip, and our smoker, our Masterbuilt Adventure Series smoker, really just added that extra sweetness to it, actually. It brought out the extra sugar to it. I'm sure that slow heating it is what does that. And we're going to do it again. This is just 6 I bought, but they are really just yummy. It took a little over 2 hours at 225 to do them, to about a little bit softer than medium, but not mushy. So you put some garlic butter on them, which that recipe's in my first book. You could put some honey butter on them. Again, that recipe's in my first book. You could put some brown sugar butter on them, or just regular butter and salt. Or you can put some cream cheese on them. There's so many ways to do smoked corn. So try it. Get my books. Give me a jingle at 612-859-3270. Or get my books at Groundhofer's Meat in Hugo, or Flicker Meat in White Bear Lake. Okay, I am going to have one of these babies. Hope you're having a great pre-4th meal or appetizer or snack. Gotta go. Bye now.